Ever wondered if there's a phone that combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design without breaking the bank? Enter the Redmi 13C 5G, a game-changer launched on the 6th of December, 2023. This phone doesn't just talk the talk, it walks the walk, with an introductory price that starts at a modest 9,999 rupees. The Redmi 13C 5G boasts a generous 6.74-inch touchscreen display, offering a resolution of 720 x 1600 pixels. That's HD plus for those keeping score. And to keep things running smoothly, a 90 Hz refresh rate is on board. Under the hood, you'll find an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor, teamed with 4 GB of RAM. This powerhouse ensures a seamless, lag-free experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or multitasking. Sounds impressive, right? But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into what makes the Redmi 13C 5G a standout contender in the smartphone arena. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest tech reviews. Imagine a phone that lets you click stunning photos and keeps going all day long without running out of juice. The Redmi 13C 5G does just that. This dynamic device boasts a 50-megapixel rear camera with an f/1.8 aperture, ensuring every shot you take is crisp, clear, and filled with vibrant colors. But it doesn't stop there. For the selfie enthusiasts out there, the Redmi 13C 5G features a 5-megapixel front camera with an f/2.2 aperture, perfect for capturing those memorable moments in high quality. Now let's talk about battery life. The Redmi 13C 5G houses a robust 5000 mAh battery, designed to keep up with your fast-paced life. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or navigating through a busy day of calls and meetings, this phone won't let you down. Plus, with the proprietary fast-charging feature, you can juice up your device in no time. So, whether you're a photography enthusiast or a power user, the Redmi 13C 5G has got you covered. Are you tired of constantly running out of storage space on your phone, or struggling with a lagging operating system? Let's dive into the storage and software capabilities of the Redmi 13C 5G. This phone comes with an impressive 128 GB of inbuilt storage, and if that's not enough, you can easily expand it up to a whopping 1 TB using a micro SD card. That's a ton of space for all your photos, videos, apps, and more. On the software front, the Redmi 13C 5G runs on Android 13, the latest and feature-rich operating system from Google. Layered on top of this is Xiaomi's MIUI 14 Skin, which offers a clean, intuitive, and user-friendly interface. It's designed to make navigation and multitasking a breeze, so you can get things done faster and more efficiently. With Redmi 13C 5G, say goodbye to storage woes and enjoy a smooth, user-friendly interface. In this digital era, staying connected is more important than ever. The Redmi 13C 5G ensures this with a plethora of connectivity options. From Wi-Fi to GPS, Bluetooth, and even 5G support, this phone has got you covered. But connectivity isn't just about the internet. The Redmi 13C 5G comes equipped with an array of sensors, including a fingerprint sensor and face unlock feature. Security and accessibility are at your fingertips. With Redmi 13C 5G, you're always just a touch or glance away from unlocking your world. So, what do we have in the Redmi 13C 5G? A smartphone that packs a punch with its octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor and a massive 4 GB of RAM. The 90 Hz 6.74-inch touchscreen display and the 50-megapixel rear camera are sure to make your multimedia experience top-notch. The fast-charging 5000 mAh battery will keep going all day, and all of this for just under 10,000 rupees. The Redmi 13C 5G, a smartphone that truly delivers without making a dent in your wallet. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more.